Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Raya, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang.
The piggy bank?
As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
I'm sure.
Welcome, people of Epcot. Epcoters. Epcotians. Citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves?
No.
What? I'm on. Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, Epcot Terrans. I am Centurion Talmeric, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this. Stand by for teleportation. Here we go. You made it! I mean, of course you did. Nova Prime, they're ready.
Excellent. What you see before you is the Cosmic Generator. And in just a few moments, we'll be activating it so you can experience for yourself what's happening.
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the Cosmic Generator is gone.
Interior Monarch, go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the Guardians. Now!
There is no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in. Hey, what's up, Nova? Our Cosmic Generator has been stolen. What?
How?
Why didn't we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
All right.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it? Perhaps that really big man outside your ship. Well, that is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime. Watching Terrans for beyond.
That's not creepy at all.
This species has failed. Wait, whoa. We didn't even know there was a test.
He's got the Cosmic Generator. And he's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
When?
It's some kind of mutant jump point.
It's going back to the dawn of time.
Dawn of time, why? To erase an error. Well, that doesn't sound good. Your time is over. Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean it's so vague?
The jump point is closing.
Hey, no, you're not recording to follow that whatever it is until we get there. We can't. Our power is down, and I've got to get these Terrans onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. I reprogrammed the shuttles to follow through the jump point.
Wait, what?
Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the Cosmic Generator back. Piece of cake.
Wait! No escape. Where's the escape? The odds are impossible,
Yeah.
but it's our only shot.
Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. We got this.
We're all toast. First,
We are all toast.
This planet's making me so hungry. Terrence, listen up. You need to make your way to the evacuation shuttle now.
Oh well, I'm
They're headed for the jump point. This plan is never gonna work. Rocket! Well, okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, well, you're likely doomed.
Good luck. You're gonna need it.
to the universe of energy. Universe of energy.
From existence. What have we done?
I think we're going back.
Oh yeah!
The Big Bang! That seems good.
We gotta get that generator. It's the only way back.
We got the generator.
You have no idea.
It's about time. Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention? Velveteen, move your star blasters. We haven't contained, but not for long.
Our worlds would have been perfect.
Yeah, well, nobody's perfect. Well,
Oh my gosh!
Walking coordinates for Echo.
Epcot!
this is not over.
Sure is. It is for that every person comes out tired.
That is true. That is true. How's my hair?
Heroes. You really think you deserve to be called heroes? Did you see how they dress?
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
You are lying to them. Now I understand.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Oh, please, I was already a part of the Guardians of the Galaxy. Remember. Dancing in September.